The Aberdare Mountains cover just a small percentage of the country, but its elevation means that it intercepts clouds blowing off the Indian Ocean, capturing most of the country's rains. This place is not only the source of all, but one of the Kenya's major rivers. Its forests and soil store and release water that ensures year-round flow of most rivers, supplying more than 75% of the country's renewable surface water, according to the United Nations Environment Programme. However, the much-dependent forest risks being doomed if a project known as the Northern Collector Tunnel is fully implemented. It has been going on since 2014 and will upon completion be collecting water from the rivers at their source in the Aberdares and diverting the water to Thika's Ndakaini Dam for use in Nairobi. 7 rivers are targeted, all of them feed the famous River Tana, the source of livelihood for communities all the way from Ukambani through Murang'a, Garissa, Tana River and other parts of the coast, a situation environmental experts say will have a devastating impact on the environment. According to the Executive Director Benson, Owuor of the Institute for Law and Environmental Governance, proper assessment was not conducted and violated the Constitution for ignoring to involve the public prior to its inception.
And this is a very bad indictment in the manner in which we are approaching development initiatives in this country. You will always be told that it exists, you will be told a feasibility study was conducted, but when you ask for it, you will not see it. And in this particular case, what is so difficult availing an environment impact assessment in the website of the relevant ministry and directing people, go check the environment impact assessment report. Because that is what the law requires. The Environment Management Coordination Act is very clear on the procedures for environmental impact assessment. In fact, there are environment impact assessment regulations that have been developed pursuant to that particular law.
He sees such damage to the underground hydrology is irreversible and will lead to severe loss of water on the Tana River, which will lead to drying up of both ground and underground rivers and streams.
We understand the environmental and social impacts, then we ask, how do we mitigate the adverse likely impacts of the project? How do we provide safeguards to the local communities and to the counties? How do we compensate the counties that are going to experience certain hardship or that are going to forgo certain uses of the water because we are channeling it to Nairobi? And that would be a very legitimate and useful debate in the context of this initiative.
Reports indicate feasibility study of the project also revealed that Murang'a area records seismic activity. The consulting engineering have warned that this danger of landslides and seismic activity can have an impact on the structural integrity of the tunnels as well as on Ndakaini Dam, and this could result in catastrophe. The project is expected to double the amount of water flowing to Nairobi. The project, according to conservationists, needed to make provisions for the protection of the Aberdare forest. Brenda Kiprono reporting for Channel 1 News Hour.